Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of Sony HandyCam HDR CX625 plus some cam accessories. So let's start with the mini tripod. To be able to use it in this video. Let's see the tripod accessories. The smartphone holder, finally I fixed the mobile phone on the tripod. Duracell Camcorder battery pack to replace Sony FV70. Here we have the micro SD XC from Samsung with SD adapter. And now we have the Sony HDR CX625. Let's see what we have inside. The operating guides in different languages, AC adapter, HDMI cable to connect it to the TV, USB connection support cable, the rechargeable battery pack, and PFE50. The camcorder Sony CX625. Built-in USB cable to charge the camcorder. We have three buttons: on, off, view, and voice cancelling. The speaker, here the microphone and the headphone jack. This is the memory card slot, and this is HDMI out jack. The soft carrying case from Sony LCS U11. It's a very useful case, and the camcorder can fit easily. Space for memory card and other accessories. Smart filter from Kenko, 46mm. Let's fix it on the camcorder. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.